Now, I am going to discuss some effect of rotation on trigonometric ratios. Okay. Right now, the relation is going like this: 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. This is your counterclockwise movement, which we have covered over here. Okay. In counterclockwise movement, what is happening? In first quadrant, sine, cos, tan, all are positive. Okay. In second quadrant, sine positive, cos negative, tan negative. In third quadrant, sine negative, cos negative, tan positive. And in fourth quadrant, sine negative, cos positive, and then tan negative. This is the relation right now which I have got, and I have written it over here when I am doing counterclockwise movement. Counterclockwise movement or anti-clockwise movement when I am going in this direction, starting from 0. So this is my first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Okay. Now I am bringing a little bit of change. I am not going counterclockwise direction. I am going clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. What happens in clockwise direction? You will start from 0, but now this will not be your fourth quadrant. This will be your first quadrant because you will be moving in this way. This will be your first quadrant. This will be your second quadrant. This will be your third quadrant. And this will be your fourth quadrant. Now let's see what has happened when I change the sign, when I change the direction, what is happening with these ones. This is the first quadrant. Now in first quadrant, what has happened? Sine is negative, cos is positive, and tan is negative. Second quadrant, this is the second quadrant. Sine is negative, cos is negative, tan is positive. Okay. In fourth quadrant, what is happening? Sorry, in third quadrant, what is happening? This is your third quadrant. So, sine positive, cos negative, and tan negative. And in the fourth quadrant, which is now this one, sine positive, cos positive, and tangent is positive. Okay. So basically, what has happened over here? What I have done. When I was having this angle, now you can see over here, beta. Sine has changed its value, become positive to negative. Cos values are same, tan values are different. Again over here, sine values are changed, cos values are same, tan values are different. Again, sine is different, cos is same, negative over here, and tangent is different. Sine is different, cos is same, and tangent is different. So what is happening over here? What is happening is that when you will change the direction of rotation, going from counterclockwise to clockwise direction, the value of sine and tangent will change its position in all the quadrants. But cos will remain same. There will be no changes in the cos sign. So with the help of this thing, I am going to write three relation over here. What are the relation? See, if sine is going from clockwise, if I will change the direction, minus sign means I'm changing the direction. It means that the sign of sine will be different. Whatever is the sign in the first quadrant, that will be written as opposite. For cos, if I will change the direction of cos, so cos will have no effect. Either it is going in this direction or it is going in this direction. Cos will have no effect due to the change of direction. It means that cos sign will remain same as it is. For tangent, again, if it is minus theta, it will become minus tan theta. Now, after this much detail, if you are having any confusion or you are having any problem, okay, you are not getting it, what has happened over here, only remember this part, and that's all. We will use this part to work on our trigonometric equations. What is the meaning of this thing? The meaning is that if I am saying that bhai, take the value sine of 30 degree, take the sine of 30 degree and take the sine of minus 30 degree, so you will get same value, but their sign of answer will be same, will be different. If we are talking about sine, if I am saying sine 30 or and sine minus 30, there will be a little bit different of value. Sine value will be different. Okay. When it comes to cos, so cos 30 degree and cos minus 30 degree, minus 30 degree, the sign change will not affect the value. Whatever is the value of cos 30 degree will be the value of cos minus 30 degree. And when it comes to tangent, tangent minus 30 means tangent value of 30 degree with minus sign. This is the whole concept which is being represented over here.